Getting started with MS Excel 2007. Part 3. Entering data in a worksheet. Follow the given steps to enter data. Select the cell. Type the data. Press the Enter key or the Enter button on formula bar to accept the entry. Press the Escape key or the Cancel button on the formula bar to reject the entry. Types of data. You can enter numbers, date and time, formulae, and text in a cell of a worksheet. Number. A worksheet is primarily used for the computation of numeric data. Numbers are values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9, including symbols like plus, asterisk, minus, hash, inverted commas, and therefore. You can also use characters like dollar, percentage, etc. All numbers are right-aligned in a cell by default. Date and time. You can enter date and time values in a cell on a worksheet. All dates and time are right-aligned in a cell by default. Formulas. A formula is a mathematical expression involving number values, operators like plus, minus, etc., and cell addresses for performing calculations on worksheets. Formula. Evaluate a single value. All formulae begin with an equal to sign. Text. Data which is not recognized by MS Excel as a number, date, time, formula is treated as text. Text is any combination of letters, numbers, symbols, or spaces. By default, all text entries are left aligned in a cell.